Hey guys, I am back and it's been a really long time because I just haven't been shopping. But I'm here on my honeymoon in Hawaii and did some shopping today, and I wanted to do an unboxing because why not? I went to Chanel today. There's actually 2 Chanels here in Honolulu that I know of, and I went to both. I already unboxed these, obviously. They're sunglasses. Came with a ribbon, and I wore them today already, so I'm just gonna get right into it. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know I like squared off cat eyes and I like gradient lenses, so I thought these were really cool because they're like classic Chanel, timeless classic Chanel, and I thought they fit pretty good. So anyways, wanted to show you guys those. And then while I was there, I don't know what happened to me today. It's like everything I dreamed in my head appeared in front of me, meant to be. So I actually don't have a wallet on chain yet. Wanted one for quite a while, but there's so many colors and styles and leathers, and I just never found one that I wanted. So on this trip, I specifically was looking for pink or some bright color with silver hardware, not lambskin. And this was the only one there in the store. And as soon as I saw it, I knew it was the one. So we will unbox it together. This is, I can pretty much say, the last time I will ever buy a brand new Chanel bag. Technically, this is an SLG, because the prices are just ridiculous. So this is probably my last Chanel unboxing ever. Look how pretty it is. So let's take this out. I like to put my camellias on the upper corner. And let me open it up here. I'm on the floor in my hotel room because I don't have a phone stand or holder. So this is how it comes. You get this little booklet. This is my first bag with the new like microchip registration system. This is it. It is from 24C, which I don't remember ever seeing this. The color officially is fuchsia. And it says "Oh mini bag," but it's a wallet on chain. Here's the dust bag to reveal. Here's the Chanel paper. I'm just gonna see if I can slide this off. And oh, I think I have to actually pull this out. Yep, I do. Okay, here it is. It is my wallet on chain, and it is very special. It's limited edition. It is fuchsia hot pink calfskin, and the hardware is silver into pink. And even on the chain, it starts out silver and it goes gradient to pink hardware. Is this not amazing? I couldn't have asked for a better color combination. I love all the bright silver with the fuchsia. This shade of pink is exactly what I was hoping for. I didn't even know this bag existed. You guys know what wallet on chains look like. But really, just look at this. Look at this CC. The pink into the silver. I mean, how cool is that? As soon as I saw it, I thought, oh God. Well, that's happening. So anyways, yeah. That's it. My first walk I've ever owned. If you've followed my videos before, I've been saying that I'm carrying less and less. So now this is plenty for me. It fits my phone, keys, lip balm, essentials, and I love it. So if that wasn't enough, we were walking and shopping, and for the heck of it, I'm not really much of a Fendi person. I mean, I like Fendi, but I don't like gold. And I'm not a fan of their logo stuff, like the brown. It's just dull to me. But there was a holiday collection that came out last year that had all the rhinestones, silver, if you know. And I had asked about this bag in my mall by me back home about a month ago, and they told me, no, that's been sold out. You missed it. So I was in Fendi today. I was wearing my sparkly Tory Burch sandals, and they said, oh, you like silver sparkles? They brought out the peekaboo, the mini peekaboo, or the small peekaboo, which I love. It's not a practical bag for me, but I love it. And then they brought this out. The bag that I was told was sold out everywhere and not available. And not to mention, in Hawaii, you save money. It was almost $400 cheaper here. Actually, it probably was more than $400 cheaper because taxes here are so low. Anyways, they brought it out, and I thought, I just bought a Chanel bag an hour ago, and oh well, it is what it is. So my very first Fendi bag, probably will be my only Fendi bag. I don't know, it's so beautiful. So let's unbox it together. When you guys see it, if you've been following my channel for a while, when you see this bag, of course that's the bag she got. Of course it is. So here's the box. Here's my little dust bag. Ooh, it's tied. To reveal my mini baguette in the silver rhinestones. Now I'm in shade. I'm in front of my window, but it's shade, so you can't see how this bag sparkles. Oh my God, it's all rhinestones, silver. And I love the top handle. I'm gonna take this off because I'm definitely carrying this either tonight or tomorrow. And so here's the top handle. I am going to, well, I guess I'm not gonna do it right now, but it has a shoulder strap, a crossbody. The interior is all leather, and stuffing. It's all silver, has some card slots, fits my essentials, phone, keys, wallet, things that I need. And then the top handle, which is killer. Okay, guys, it's all crystals. Well, I was told this bag was sold out. So let me get the strap. What I love about the strap too is you can make it a shorter bag. You know, it's obviously a crossbody strap with a leather piece, but you can double it up, double the chains up to make it a shorter shoulder bag if you want, which I thought was cool. I probably will wear it like that. Put the crossbody on real quick. Yeah, so this is my first and only Fendi bag, and it's a stunner, limited edition. I can't believe they had it. I have it has protective sticker on here, which I can't really get off easily, so I'll just take that off later. Anyways, there it is. My two bags, my new bags from Hawaii. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.